If something happened to you today and you are incapacitated and you are not able to wake up and go to work, what is going to fund your life? If something happened to your work, you are not able to work again, or you can't go out for 6 months or 1 year, what will pay your bill? Do you have an asset that can fund your life? Do you have an asset that will not require your time, that will not require your presence, that will be able to do that? If you don't have that, I'm sorry to say, life may become a burden rather than being a blessing. But you don't have to worry. That's why I'm having this communication with you. Because the next thing I'm about to tell you is going to take you to a place where you will begin to build your own paradise. My name is Tade Cash, and I'm here to give you an opportunity that I believe if you say yes to it, it will change your life. Nigerian Bureau of Statistics make a statement, and you can search it out and verify yourself. It said that 90% of people in Nigeria that gets to 60 years old will not be able to pay their bills. Can you take that in for a second? 90% of people that get to the age of 60 will not be able to pay their bills. And they gave us a reason for that. That the reason they will not be able to pay their bills is because they don't have an asset that can replace their strengths. I met a man when I was younger, and he said to me, if you want to be wealthy, two things must work for you. Money must work for you and people must work for you. Means that if people can work for you and money can work for you, you are going to be free for the rest of your life. Imagine your yearly bills is about 10 million naira. And then you own an asset that will be able to pay you that 10 million naira and more, and you own it forever. It's called forever money. Now, forever money is what we're creating, because if you want to have a functional retirement plan, it means that you need to be able to take something, own something that can fund you in spite and despite of you. That means it can fund your children, it can fund your grandchildren, and that is why we created what we call Palm City. Palm City was designed to help you to create a functional retirement plan. You're not going to be strong forever. But when that moment comes, when you need to sleep and still make money, have you created something that can help you? And that's why we are partnering with you today. That's why we want to do something that will help you to transform your life. And so, anyone that say yes to this, guess what you have said yes to? You have said yes to your children being able to go to school without you having any financial anxiety. You have said yes to your grandchildren and great-grandchildren that may not see you, but that will know you. Why? Because what you have created was created to fund them, even when you are old and you are gone. Because of one investment that you made, you can set your next generation up. Now, that is what it means to be a good man. My mentor's father left 20 years ago. And because of the kind of plantations and the asset he owns, 21 years later, his children are still being funded because of the things that he owns. We call him a good man. But not every man is good and not every woman is good. If you can't leave something behind for your children that will fund them and give them a leverage, you are not a good person. And I know you don't want to be a bad person because you have labored all your life to be a good person. But if you say no to this offer, then what happens to you? You're simply saying the children, the future does not matter to you. They can go anywhere. They can be stranded in life. They can choose to live on the street, even when you are bored in your own time. When you say no to Palm City, guess what you're saying no to? You're literally saying no to opportunity that will give your children a leverage. Remember, life is about leverage, because without leverage, life is a burden. And too many people today are not having a life of blessing. You are watching me today. Let me tell you, you are that intelligent to have watched this video. And the truth of the matter is, your life will have been far better than this, perhaps, if your own parent had left you a leverage. Or your life is better today because your parent left you a leverage. What are you going to leave behind for someone? And if you say no to this, you are going to be living a burden. You are going to be living issues. You are going to be living a life without no platform for your coming generation and yourself. That is not you. And we have not created Palm City just to create something that can be another farm. No, this is all encompassing that can help you to literally transform your life. So if you say yes to this, you're saying yes to leverage. You're saying yes to forever money. But if you say no to this, you're saying that opportunity can walk away. You're simply saying, I'm saying no to opportunity and I'm embracing regret for the coming days. But you don't want to be that. And that is why you want to go on the link now and you want to join us and you want to be able to say, how can I be part of this? You will see all of the processes on the screen and you want to join in right now. You want to own an acre of this palm, city. It is yours forever. It is insured. It is protected. It's going to be producing money for you in the next 3 years. Imagine just waiting for 3 years to start making money for the rest of your life, or working for the rest of your life without having nothing to show for it. We are here to hold you by hand. We're partnering with you. We're not selling to you. And if that is you, and which I know is you, I want to take you on a forever money journey. What are you waiting for? If it is not now, when is it going to be? Remember, if you want to change your life, you have to change your decision. If you want to change your life, you have to change your actions. And your action is waiting for you. We are here for you. Let's take you on the forever money journey. I'll see you in there. Let's do it together.